Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In regards to breastfeeding, let's see, the breast milk of a woman is mixed with another substance. For example, the milk of a woman, the breast milk of a woman, they mixed with let me say cow milk, sheep milk, or whatsoever milk. If they mix the milk of a woman, the breast milk of a woman, with a cow milk or a goat's milk, and they give to the child, then you need to check if the breast milk of the woman is equal to or it's more than the sheep or goat milk or cow milk. That is to say, the woman which the milk belongs to become the mother of that child, and the husband of that woman becomes the father of that child. But if the cow milk is more, or the sheep milk is more, or the goat milk is more than the breast, this one is not considered. It's just as if the child did not drink anything, so it's not considered. It can only be considered, that child can only be considered as a parent of that particular child if the milk of the woman is more or equal to the milk of the sheep or the goat or whatsoever. So let's get this straight, because some of you may ask, what about if a child drink the milk of another woman, a part of the parent, but the milk is mixed with a substance? It can be any substance. It can be medicine. It can be anything. First of all, you need to check the substance. If the breast milk is equal to the substance, or the breast milk is more, which means that woman will become the parent of that child, and any relative of that woman, any blood relative to that woman, become haram for that child to marry. Any children of that woman become haram for that child to marry, even though the child is not her child. But if the milk is more, or the substance is more, this is not considered. So we need to understand this. If you give a breast milk to a child that is not your child, you mix your breast milk with any substance, medicine, cow milk, goat milk, sheep milk, or whatever substance, you need to check first the substance. If the milk is more, your milk, the breast milk, if the breast milk is more, that is to say, that child becomes your child, even though the child is not your biological child, and any of your children become haram for that particular child to marry. So your children become the foster sister or brother of that particular child. But if the substance is equal to the breast milk, the same is applied. But if the substance is more than the breast, that tells that nothing is applied. It's just like as if the child did not drink the milk, as if the child did not drink your breast milk. So if the substance is more, that means the child cannot be considered as your child. It can only be considered as your child if your breast milk is equal to the substance, or your breast milk is more than the substance. So equal to, more, that is to say the child can be considered as your child. But if the substance is more than the milk, than your breast milk, that means this one will not be regarded and it will not be considered. So I hope we get this one correct.